Here you go. I can't do it.
I'm not tall enough to fly. Here we go, split.
What is it, rude?
Oh god. If we make a lot of monster sounds.
Throw your shoe at it. No. Yeah.
Can you throw that high?
No.
Bert. I can't make it loud enough without something to drink. No, like soda.
Yeah, I need soda too.
Look at them watching us.
That was my lion's or the camel's bell.
My face!
I don't know
my face!
This is a great movie already.
Oh my god!
What the hell?
Ew!
Oh my feedback, so weird.
Ah, nothing's happening. What? Someone spin a tapioca ball.
I can't go that high.
Are you trying? Come on. Oh my god, look at all the balls. There's one over here. There's one over. Oh crap. There's one over here.
I smoke from chowder.
Here. Idiot! There's over here, and 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 over here.
I'll help you with this. I already missed.
Damn. It's okay. You're gonna spit at me?
Yeah. No.
Hi! Move! You're not moving. Birdie!
Seriously, throw your shoe at them. No, I love my shoes. My shoes.
Your shoe.
Does anyone have something they can throw?
Nothing.
It's like when they go in that building, they're more strong or like less scared.
I know, over at that building.